value of an expression by substitution. In sport, a substitute is a player who is brought on during a match to replace a player who has been injured. The word substitute means to put one in the place of another. In algebra, we know that letters or variables can stand for numbers that are unknown. Once the number is known, we can replace the variable with the number. Paseka hits a cricket ball up in the air. This formula shows the relationship between the time in seconds after Paseka hit the ball and the height of the ball above the ground in meters. H equals 20t minus 5 times t times t. Let's determine the height of the ball after 2 seconds. The given formula is a number sentence containing two variables, h and t. One of the variables, t, is known to be 2 seconds. So, we simply replace the variable t with the number 2 in the given formula to determine the value of the unknown variable h. We get h equals 20 times 2 minus 5 times 2 times 2. H equals 40 minus 5 times 4. H equals 40 minus 20 equals 20 meters. Therefore, the cricket ball is at a height of 20 meters above the ground after 2 seconds.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maskly to help you and let the math finally start mathing.